Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for at Sun Capricorn, and this reading is mid-month reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person feelings towards you this side and your feelings towards you this side. So your person feelings towards you, Capricorn. Okay. And your feelings towards them. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So later we see mutual energy between both of you. Yeah. First, your person feelings towards you, the Strength, Ace of Pentacles, the World, and the Empress, and your feelings towards them, Ace of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, High Priestess, and the Tower. I think your person want to offer long-term commitment to you. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. And they are gaining strength and they stand by their power. Your person could be Leo also. Definitely some cycles are going to be and between both of you. The Empress and the Strength, definitely they stand by their power this time and they want to come towards you and they want to offer this long-term commitment to you. Right now their intentions are these. Though let's see your intentions towards your person. Definitely you also want new beginning with your person, Ace of Wands, but Tower moment is happened between both of you in recent past. Yeah, High Priestess, definitely there are something is hidden in this connection. I think that is the issue for the Tower moment. That is the main reason. And Queen of Pentacles, yeah, you want to share everything with your person. So let's see mutual energies between both of you. Yeah, Nine of Wands, one person is very guarded in this connection. Two of Wands, yeah, I think this could be long distance relationship, but one person is waiting for the other person. They are thinking about a lot. This could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. So let's see about you more, Capricorn, about this connection. Seven of Cups, I think you have options, Capricorn. The Star, but still you are hoping for this connection. You have hope still. Your person, King of Pentacles, yeah, your person want to offer stability to this connection. Emperor, wow, lot of major arcanas here. King of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Empress, yeah, you both could be strong couple. Definitely they are very stable and very, very loyal to you. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. Two of Pentacles, I think you both are juggling between things. Six of Cups, yeah, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. And Queen of Wands under the deck, definitely there is a lot of passion between both of you. Yeah, your person definitely want to come towards you and offer long-term commitment and stability to this connection. They are gaining strength to come towards you. And yeah, Five of Swords, I think something has happened between both of you in past. Eight of Cups, separation. Definitely for some there is separation between both of you. One person is walked away from the other person. Queen of Swords, yeah, communication is the key. You both have to clarify what to do, what not to do in this connection. The Chariot, definitely you or your person could be Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely Cancer, you both want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, again under the deck, lot of passion, lot of attraction between both of you. Definitely your person want to come towards and offer long-term commitment. You are also still hoping for this connection even though after the Tower moment. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.